In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix link preview not working on WhatsApp. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for. Let's get started. Okay, open WhatsApp. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? What you want to do first after opening WhatsApp is tap on the three dots to the right, okay? Then click settings. Then scroll down. Just scroll down, okay, and locate this place for privacy. Just tap on privacy, then scroll down, then click on advanced, okay. Now you will see this option for disable link preview. Currently I've disabled link previews on my WhatsApp. That's why if I have a link, I'm trying to send a link to someone, I will not be able to preview the link, okay. Now just disable it like this. By doing this, you'll be able to preview your link before sending it to another user, okay. If you found help in this video, remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.